Hello and welcome to the day 23 of the 100 Days Challenge, where I'll try to build projects in public. As you can see, yesterday we tried with a different thumbnail and also posting that I had posted a new video in X, formerly Twitter, but still 0 views on the video. However, here we are continuing with this challenge. Today I continued working on the game and I just fixed some minor things. I implemented the rewarded ads here too. Like here you can see, if we go to the main, to our emulator, and we play this while I speak, at the end of the video we'll see how this actually works now. In the meantime, while I was finishing everything, I started creating the app registration in the Google Play Store, and then I found something that I already had seen before, but I just didn't take much attention, and is this one. App testing requirements for new personal developer accounts. Since November 2023, they changed some requirements for publishing new apps, and in order, according to them, to help the developers to test their application, identify issues, get feedback, and ensure everything is ready before their launch, it means that those accounts created after this date need to meet specific testing requirements before the application can be public. Basically, here we could be reading all this, but basically the overview of the testing requirements is that if you have a newly created personal developer account, that it's my case, you must run a closed test for your app with a minimum of 12 testers who have been opted for at least the last 14 days continuously. It means that I need 12 people who plays my game during 14 consecutive days, and then I will be able to publish the actual application. I understand that with this, it's improving the quality of the applications that are there, but yet it makes it quite hard for me to be able to follow or to stick to the plan I had, because I wanted to publish many applications, but if every application requires 14 days, then I don't know. I was not thinking on games that were meant to be played 14 consecutive days by someone. At the end, they are casual, simple games. After that, I've been checking and I've seen a couple of solutions. One of them is on Fiverr, so if I look for Fiverr, Google Play testing, basically we can see that there are some of them, and basically from 18 euros, 23 euros, they just give you enough testers. This is one option. Another option I saw is, well, for sure getting the actual users from your environment, but I don't think for this case would be a good fit. And then there's this Android closed testing subreddit where you can see people just posting 12 testers needed. Here there's the link. So here, if we open this post, we can see that people says, yeah, we are installing it. Well, in this case, no, because it looks that it needs to be paid. But basically, they paste different codes. Yeah, this is not maybe the best example because this is a paid one, but if we open this one that says start out application, here people say, hey, we are DMing you. Yeah, I'm not choosing the best choices, maybe this one. Yeah, they join the group and then they ask for you to do the same for theirs. I'm not sure if this is a viable option or not, because at the end, as I said, now we'll see how our game is, but it's a simple thing that does not need to be played for 14 days. So I'm thinking what to do, if I should try to pursue any of those. I'm not keen on paying 20 euros for this, apart from the 25 euros that we already paid for the developer account, and for that simple game that may not generate anything. maybe it's the best thing. The other one would be follow these people. I've been also thinking on creating some kind of application or web application for this, so that instead of just having to interact in these threads, just pasting everything, like here you can see 29 comments, people saying, hey, yeah, I have it, please, yeah, I have it, another day, yeah, here I have it. So have something more simple for that. I don't know, I have a lot of doubts and I'm not sure where to continue with this. And yeah, I guess that tomorrow I'll be trying to read more about that and find which is the best option. I don't think tomorrow I'll be working actually on the game because, as I said, I have it mostly finished. But instead, I think I'll just think on what to do next. And as I was mentioning here, you can see that the game I had, just when there's a game over, there's this continue ad button that if you click on it, it goes to a test ad in this case, that it's a reward for that. So when you start, you can continue, and when you click on granted, then you should be here. I see that the timer is resuming before the close button. I don't know if you've heard the error sound, but yeah. I implemented this, I still see this issue. Those are the things that at the end the testers would find, but yeah, I don't know. I just got demotivated with the previous topic. If you watch this, that may be a miracle, because as you see, there's no views yet to any of those videos, but if you watch this, thank you, and see you tomorrow.